Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, $25 billion, 37 main roads across 11 parishes. The government launched the Spark Main Road program.
It comes on the heels of widespread frustration about poor road conditions. And as you'll hear in this report, 2 flyovers will be built.
Jamaila Maitland explains.
Several major corridors across the island are expected to be rehabilitated under the Spark Main Road program.
China Harbour, who is the contractor on the project, will begin to do the preparatory works and then move into actual construction. Some of them could start within a year. Others may take up to a year and a half to actually see the works done.
Already, some communities have received new roads or are undergoing road improvements. Initially, each constituency was allocated $200 million. This time around, the funds will be used to rehabilitate the major thoroughfares.
There are so many communities with roads that are deteriorating. There's nothing that I say here that any of the residents who are suffering from bad road conditions will take comfort in, because the truth is, what the public is interested in is that when they get up in the morning, they go in their car and they're driving to work, they don't hit a pothole.
Works Minister Robert Morgan says 37 corridors will be rehabilitated across 11 parishes. Improved drainage will also be incorporated into the program.
The program will address culverts, retaining structures, sidewalks, road markings, and safety features. And one of the important aspects of the program that I'm very happy about, and we did it on Grange Lane, Permanent Secretary, where we are now including features on our roads to assist the differently abled members of our community. Tactile responsiveness, so the person who is visually impaired can get a response from the road when they reach at a pedestrian crossing.
Additionally, allocations have been made for 2 flyovers from Dunrobin to East Kings House Road and from 6 miles along the Washington Boulevard to Malines Road in St. Andrew.
Actually going through Main Road extension, as I mentioned earlier, from Dunrobin Avenue going all the way to East Kings House Road, and we'll show you a depiction of what we're looking at. At this point in time, we're actually at concept design, where we'll be discussing with our contractors and consultants with respect to the detailed design so we can get this project moving. The preliminary estimated cost is just under 7 billion Jamaican.
Maitland, TVJ News.